Some parts of Florida getting a lot of rain at this hour, huh?
Yeah, yesterday Tallahassee, the panhandle of Florida, and now north central Florida near Citrus County, some severe weather moving through there. That front is not going to have an impact on our weather, but another one behind it will. Here's what's going on as far as we're concerned. The Van Wezel webcam showing hazy, lazy, crazy day, what it seems like a summer. You can see it was so windy that they brought a lot of those parasailers in to the Sarasota Bay Area. That's what happens sometimes when the seas are a little too rough. You saw a lot of them going on by, and this is the air quality index, which shows that the particulate matter rather high. It's at 59. It's in the moderate category. It's not a big issue quite yet, and I don't think it will be as a result of the breezy conditions tomorrow. It kind of mixes the atmosphere a little bit, and we do have the weather headlines reading like this: a warm Wednesday ahead, and then some rain early, and then Friday morning it looks like it will be over by Friday morning. It'll be basically Thursday morning. And as far as the fire danger is concerned, we have a high fire risk, especially on Friday. That rain will move through, it'll dry out quickly, and these numbers will only get higher. And with the low humidity around on Friday and Saturday, we can expect the dangerous conditions for brush fires right through the weekend. Now, the satellite and radar imagery showing that rough weather now moving onshore from Orlando, Daytona Beach, all the way over into Cedar Key right now. And some of these cells have been producing a Doppler-indicated tornado, and it continues to push off toward the east. This cell in particular has been rather intense right now, producing some lightning strikes along with some rotation with this particular cell, and one behind it too. And all that kind of staying well to the north and moving off to the east. Right now here, 81 degrees at the Sarasota Brayton Airport. Dew point is at 71. Winds are out of the south. It's been windy today. It'll stay breezy again tomorrow, and the pressure is starting to rise slightly. The high today, no record breaking, but still well above average. 84 the normal high, 79 and the record 90. And that was set a long time ago. As no, not really. Today, no rainfall to report. The monthly total now, we need some rain. We desperately need it for the year, too. We're over 6 inches below average. We'll get some out of this, maybe a quarter inch, half inch in some areas. There's a chance, too, we could see some thunderstorm activity, and that happens Thursday morning, just around sunrise or slightly before it. And it should be out of here by midday on Thursday. Tomorrow looks good. We'll have sunshine, breezy, and warm conditions. The same old story as far as that goes. High temperatures approaching near 90 degrees well inland. That wind will stay out of the south throughout the day, and that means that the risk of rip currents is still there. Rip current advisory is in effect right now for coastal waters, and I think that'll be the case again tomorrow. And then even on Friday, as those winds whip around to the northwest, it'll even be more so, I think, for beachgoers and folks trying to ride the waves, which will be high on Friday. Well, here comes the front developing on Wednesday afternoon over the panhandle. Not much rain, but notice things start to pick up during the morning hours on Thursday. You'll start to see some intense thunderstorms developing there. So it would not be surprised to hear some rumble of thunder right before sunrise, and then continuing up about until noon for our southern portion of our viewing area, and then eventually clearing out of here, turning breezy and much cooler for the weekend. And this low pressure area is the one that will drive that front eventually moving through our area on late, looks like Wednesday night, Thursday morning. South winds for boaters tomorrow, still breezy out there. A moderate chop on the bays and inland waters. Tides upcoming on your screen. There they are. High tide at 7:02. Sunset should be a nice one. 7:49 tonight. Mostly fair, warm and breezy. 70 for a low. And tomorrow, another nice warm and breezy day. High of 85. South winds 15 to 20. The extended forecast. Morning showers on Thursday. Clearing, turning cooler. Keep the jackets ready. 50s, low 50s on both Friday morning, Saturday morning, and Sunday morning. Could even see some upper 40s well inland.